Changpeng said Zhao, the founder of Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, was arrested and sentenced to 4 months in prison for violating US laws against money laundering. This development marks a significant milestone in the ongoing regulatory crackdown on the crypto industry. In November 2023, Zhao pleaded guilty to one count of violating the Bank Secrecy Act (BSA), which requires financial institutions to establish and maintain anti-money laundering (AML) programs. The charges stemmed from Binance's failure to prevent transactions involving funds derived from illicit activities, including those involving Americans and individuals from jurisdictions subject to sanctions. On 30th April 2024, Judge Richard Jones sentenced Zhao to 4 months in prison, rejecting the Department of Justice's (DOJ) recommendation of a 36-month sentence. Zhao's legal team had requested probation without jail time, citing his acceptance of responsibility and philanthropic efforts. As part of the settlement, Binance agreed to pay a combined $4.3 billion in fines and forfeitures, the largest enforcement action in the Treasury Department's history. Zhao also agreed to pay a $50 million fine. Zhao's sentence is seen as a significant development in the US government's efforts to regulate the crypto industry. The case against Binance and Zhao was a major enforcement action, and the sentence sends a message to the industry about the consequences of violating US laws. The sentence is also notable given the significant fines and penalties imposed on Binance, which underscores the importance of compliance with AML and BSA regulations. The sentencing has raised questions about the future of Binance, which has faced regulatory challenges and market volatility in recent years. Under new CEO Richard Teng, Binance has refashioned itself as a more traditional financial firm, appointing a board of directors and working to establish an official global headquarters. The company has also increased its compliance budget, preparing for the appointment of federal monitors from the DOJ and Treasury Department. In conclusion, Changpeng said Zhao, the founder of Binance, was arrested and sentenced to 4 months in prison for violating US laws against money laundering. The sentence marks a significant milestone in the regulatory crackdown on the crypto industry and underscores the importance of compliance with AML and BSA regulations. The case against Binance and Zhao serves as a warning to the industry about the consequences of violating US laws, and its impact on the future of Binance remains to be seen.